Hello everyone, this is Teacher Chan, your math companion for today. In today's video, we're going to continue discussing the divisibility rules. And we are now down to the last divisibility rule, which is the divisibility rule number 11. Now what is the condition in divisibility rule number 11? Before we proceed to the divisibility rule number 11, let us first answer the task that was given in the previous video in divisibility rules number 4, 8, and 12. The task was, you are asked to find all the possible values of n so that 6,208 blank or n will be divisible by 8. Now I already read all your answers in the comment section and some of you got the correct answers. Congratulations ahead. But the correct answer is 0 and 8. So for those who got the correct answers, congratulations. And for those who did not make it, do better next time. Okay? So moving on to our topic for today about divisibility rule number 11, let me read to you the condition. When do we say a number is divisible by 11? A number is divisible by 11 if the difference. What this word difference means? The difference means answer of subtraction. The difference between the sum, take note of these terminologies here. Sum means answer of addition of the digits in the even places. I underline all the important words here. And sum of the digits in the odd places. So in short, to check a number if it's divisible by 11, we just have to add first all the digits in the odd places. And we also have to add, the second step is also add all the digits in the even places. Once we're done adding, and once we're done getting the sum of the two, that's the time we're going to subtract the two and get the difference. And if the difference is 0, after we subtract them, if we get 0, 11, 22, or 33, then we say that a number is divisible by 11. Now for you to understand more about divisibility rule number 11, let me give you this example. I have here 270,250. Now following the conditions here, first we're going to check what are those digits in the odd places. Beginning in ones place, the odd places are, we have 5, we also have 2, and we also have 7. So these are the digits in the odd places. We have 5, 2, and 7, or ones, hundreds, and 10,000s. What are the digits in the even places? Tens, we also have thousands, and 100,000s. Now following the rule, we need to get the difference, or the sum of the two groups. First, sum of even. 1 plus 0 plus 2. What is the sum? Correct, it's 3. Next, sum of 5, 2, and 7. If we're going to add this 3, what will you get? Perfect. It's 14. After we get all the sums of these two groups here, the group of even digits and the group of odd digits, or the group of the digits in the even places and the group of digits in the odd places, it's time for us to get the difference. Difference means answer of subtraction. Let's subtract 13 and 14. Sir Chan, how can we subtract these two? knowing 3 is smaller than 14, you can always reverse, or you can always make the bigger as your minuend. Okay? So we can just interchange the two. Instead of 3 minus 14, we say 14 minus 3. So what is the answer? That is definitely 11. Since the difference of the sum of the digits in the even places and the sum of the digits in the odd places is 11, then we say that this 270,000 is divisible by what? By 11. Did you get it? Very good. Next example. 118,459. This number is very big. Now let's find out which digits are in even places or odd places. The digits in the odd places are, we have 9, we have 4, and we have 1. How about in even places? We have 5, 8, and 1. Let's get the sum first of the even place, of the digits in the even places. 5 plus 8 plus 1. What is the sum? I'll give you 5 seconds to think. Use your mental computation. If you answered 14, you are definitely correct. How about the digits in the odd places? We have 9, 4, and 1. What is the sum? 4 plus 9 plus 1. Perfect. It's 14 also. Now it's time for us to get the difference of the two by subtracting them. But it's 14 minus 14. Easy peasy. It's 0. Does it answer the condition here? Correct. So we say also that this big number here, the 118,459, is divisible by 11. Very good. So since that you know already how to identify if a number is divisible by 11, it's time for us to enrich your knowledge on divisibility rule number 11. So I have here a number, given number on the board, and I want you to think, I want you to help me identify if it's divisible by 11. So the number is 526,714. What do you think? Is it divisible by 11? You will not know unless we begin adding all the digits in the odd places and adding all the digits in the even places and get the difference of the two. Let's begin. The digits in the even places are 1, 6, and 5. And the digits in the odd places are 4, 7, and 2. Let's add the two groups. 1 plus 6 plus 5 is what? 1 plus 6 plus 5. That will give us, correct, 12. How about 4? Let's go to the even place. 4 plus 7 plus 2. What do you think is the sum? Correct. The correct answer is 13. Because 4 plus 7 is 11 and 11 plus 2 is 13. Now what is the difference of the two? 12 minus 13 or 13 minus 2. We can actually interchange the two. Their positions. Very good. It's 1. Does it answer the condition in divisibility rule number 11? No. Because the difference of the two is not 0, it's not 11, 22, 33. So we say that this number here on the board is not divisible by 11. So thank you so much for finishing the entire video. I hope that you learned something from our lesson today. But before I'll end this video, let me first give you another task, and I want you to answer or drop your answer in the comment section below. So here's the task. I have here on the board 30,500 blank 4 is divisible by 11. Now I want you to look for that missing digit. But I have to add some twists. I want you to look for the biggest possible digit to make this statement true. Alright? So I have to answer that question or that problem or that task in the next video. So that ends our lesson for today. Thank you so much for finishing this entire video. I hope you learned so much things from today's lesson. So I want you to drop again your answers in the comment section below. This has been Teacher Chan, your math companion for today.